how to turn on page email notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on page email notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find this three lines in the top corner. Click on it and scroll down until you find pages, and then just click on your page. And now click this settings icon in the top corner and then select notifications, and here you will find email. Click on it and then on you will find it like that, on off. All you need to do just turn it to on and just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.